Hello, I'm João Pedro from Brazil, and this is Mailspace Project 3 developed for CS50 Web, okay? I decided to call it Mailspace just to give it a personal touch, as I always do in every project, but it's just a project as in the specifications of CS50, okay? First of all, we're gonna log in the email box, and we're gonna log in with user1 with its password, okay? And then we are redirected to the inbox. The first point is the send email, okay? And I'm gonna send an email to user2, okay? The subject will be video1 for this video, okay? And the body, let's repeat it, okay? Just for demonstration purposes. And then we're gonna send. Okay, when we send the email, we're redirected to the send inbox, and then we have the email that we sent. Okay, we're gonna log out and log in user2, okay, with its password. And then we have the email here that we received. We sent from user1 to user2, okay? Now we're gonna talk about the load mailbox. The mailbox, we have here the mailboxes, the inbox, the sent, and the archive mailboxes, okay? The archive is empty, we're gonna archive things here, okay? And these are our inboxes. We have here the email content. We have the sender, okay? The subject and the timestamp. I also put a button just to illustrate for a user here, okay? And when we click the email, it's white because it's not red, okay? When we click, and let's come back, now it's grayed out because we read it, okay? And then we have the email view. So this is the email view. It shows who from the email is, who received the email, in this case from user1 to user2, the subject, the timestamp, and the content of the email itself. Okay, we have also the archive button, as I said. When we click here, we're redirected to the inbox as asked in the specifications, and the email is archived. Okay, now the email is archived. We have the option to unarchive, and when we unarchive, we are redirected to the inbox, and the email is unarchived. Okay, and now we have the reply button. The reply button, when we click the reply button takes us to the composition form, and we already pre-fill the recipient and the subject with the content of the email, okay? And also in the body, as asked, we put on the timestamp, the user wrote, and the content of the email itself. And then we can reply video 1 here, okay? And then we submit, and we sent the reply, okay? This is Mailspace for Project 3 for CS50 Web, and thank you for everything.